used to roam this backyard every Saturday night, cutting lines in the sunshine. Yeah, this green land used to be mine. But then one morning I woke up to a shiny stranger in my yard. Little wheels, big attitude, rolling in like a bodyguard. He never talks, he never sweats, just hums around without regrets. Now I'm the old steel mower with a heart made out of dust, left alone behind the tool shed, covered up in rust. He took my job, he stole my pride, that little robot on four wheels. But you can't take away the country soul of broken mower fields. I miss the kids who rode my handle like a rodeo stallion wild. Now they point and laugh at me like I'm some forgotten style. He circles round like he owns the place, always smug and battery strong. But he don't know the stories here. I've been singing yard song all along. He never stalls, he never coughs, but he ain't got soul to switches on and off. Now I'm the old steel mower with a heart made out of dust, left alone behind the tool shed, covered up in rust. He took my job, he stole my pride, that little robot on four wheels. But you can't take away the country soul of broken mower fields. Maybe someday when his battery dies, they'll wheel me out under open skies, give this rusty cowboy one last ride before I say goodbye. I'm still the old steel mower with a heart made out of dust, dreaming about the days when the family trusted me the most. He took my work, he stole my road, but he'll never steal my fields. 'Cause you can't replace the country soul of broken mower fields.